Okay, so Valentine's Day is coming up and I love Valentine's Day. So I decided that I would do some makeup looks for Valentine's Day. So this first one is going to be sort of a wash of color, splash of color, simple makeup look. So this is going to be wearable. You can wear it to work earlier in the day and carry it through to your evening, whatever that may be. If you're hanging out with friends, or you have a Valentine's date, or you are snuggling up with your fur baby and watching romantic comedies on Netflix. That sounds really good. I don't have any fur babies though, but I do love romantic comedies on Netflix every now and again. I'm more of an action girl. Anyway, I digress. If you want to see what this simple look looks like, please keep watching. Okay, so I have already cleansed and moisturized my face, and I'm just gonna really quickly go through my skin routine that I'm doing for today, because like every video has it in there. But if you want more specifics, just let me know down in the comments. Because this is a simple look, I'm just going to use a BB cream today. This is the Black Radiance True Complexion BB cream, and the color is Cafe. So because this is a BB cream, I am just going to put this on with my fingers. So shake it up a little bit and then put some on my fingers, and just gonna go ahead and rub that in all over my face. And what this is gonna do is just, uh-oh, got some in my hair. Give me a little warmth and sort of even out my skin tone. This is not a full coverage option at all, but I figure if you're looking for something like a simple wash of color look, then you probably aren't wanting like a flawless skin, full glam, full coverage look. So this is something that's just going to sort of even out your skin tone a little bit. And this is what it looks like with just the one little squirt that I did, distribute it over my face. And just in case you want a little bit more, I'm going to put on just another squirt. And when I say squirt, I mean like this much. So it's not a lot at all. And I'm going to put that second layer on. And as you can see, don't forget the neck. It is warming me up a little bit and giving me just a little bit of coverage, light coverage, and a little bit of evening. But if you have like serious blemishes or even like freckles, this is not going to do full coverage. So if you're looking for full coverage, you can check out some of my other videos, and I will be putting up like full glam Valentine's Day looks, so stay tuned. Anyway, after that, I'm just going to quickly cover my spots, which you guys have seen me do a million times. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will be right back. Okay, I went ahead and covered up my spot, and then just because I am a little more oily, I have sort of combination skin, I did want to set that. But with the BB cream, if you don't want to set it with powder, then you can just leave it as it is. Okay, so now we are going to very quickly tame my eyebrows. And because this is a simple look, I don't even think I'm going to fill them in. Now, if you are someone who is just like, I cannot live and breathe without my eyebrows being filled in, please take a look at one of my other videos, or any of the countless other ones that are on the interwebs, or you can request it down below. But I just tamed them a little bit, combed them to make them sort of lay in the same direction and not look like a crazy mad scientist. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and get started on, no I'm not. I kid, I joke, I kid. I'm going to put on my blush and my highlight and my contour. So actually, because this is a simple wash of color look, I'm just gonna do my blusher And this is the NYX blush that I've been using lately in Dusty Rose. Looks like this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my cheeks. Like that. And that's gonna be it for my blush. And then for a little bit of highlight, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Golden Bronzer palette. Just take a little of that, put it on the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, and a little bit on my cheeks, just to keep it young and dewy and fresh looking with that color that I just put on my cheeks, and then a little, some highlight. I never do just a little, but no contour. So that is what the face is basically gonna look like. And then I'm going to get started with the eye. Now for this look, I'm using the LA Colors 12 color eyeshadow palette. And this one is just a pink palette. God, it's Simply Pink is the name of it. This was $1 at like Family Dollar. So this is not gonna break the bank at all. Looks like this. Now, what I'm going to do is take a little bit of the concealer that I used to cover my spot and put that on my eyelid as like sort of a primer to get the colors to pop, but just a little bit. I'm just using like what was left over on the back of my hand from covering my spot. Okay, so did that. Now I'm gonna take just a fluffy blending brush like this. I think it was $1 somewhere. And I am going to go into this sort of pink, I don't know, lighter pink color here. And I'm just going to put that all over my eyelid. All over the entire lid. This is just gonna be my base. Gonna help to blend the eyeshadows together when I start building on top. Okay, so that's that. Now I'm going to take this same fluffy blending brush that I just used and pick up this deepest color here. It's like a mauve color, and start to put that into my crease and right above the crease there in that transition area. And you can just build this up as much as you want. I'm concentrating most of it on the outer corner there. As you can see, it's starting to warm that crease up some. And it doesn't have to be too precise. Just going in circular motions to blend. Okay, so as you can see, I have a pretty warm crease area going here. Now I am going to take a flat shader brush and pick up, this is the lightest color. It's like a champagne color. It's just a little shimmery. And pick that up and pack that onto my eyelid. And I'm gonna do that on like heavily on the inner corner and the middle of the eyelid, and not really on the outer third. Okay, now I'm going to take a little sort of fluffy blending brush, go back into that same deeper pink on the outer lid, and just sort of blend those those edges of what I just laid down. And that's it, really. You can build it up as much as you want. What I'm gonna do is go back in with that original fluffy blending brush and just blend a little bit more. And make sure that above my crease is blended as well out. And then I'm going to take a little, I guess I can take that same fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to take a little bit of that champagne color and just go lightly on my brow bone, right there at the arch. Very lightly. And that's it for the eyeshadow. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And for the lips, I'm just going to use a red lip balm. This is Be a Bombshell in Ruby lip balm. I'm gonna go over that with a clear lip gloss. This is Wet n Wild Mega Slicks. Okay, now I am going to line my eyes, and you can line as you see fit. I'm just going to tight line and do a little mascara. Okay, and that is the look. So as you can see, just basically that pink on the eye with a little highlight on the eyelids, and sort of a soft pink lip gloss look, and we're finished. I even went light on the mascara, guys. Like, y'all know me, I live for the mascara. Oh, I do want to set though. I'm using a Hard Candy Sheer Envy Longwear setting spray. I love this setting spray. This is what we're looking like. Okay, so let me know what you think below, and of course, if you do this look, please tag me on social media. You can find all of my social media links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.